About how to apply splash screen in SwiftUI. How to apply splash screen in SwiftUI and launch screen in SwiftUI. Today I am going to discuss about launch screen in SwiftUI. So first of all, we're going to create on this SwiftUI view, which have a name on this launch screen demo. Suppose which have on this. Sorry, we can change on this name refactoring. This splash screen demo. This is a splash screen demo. This is a splash screen demo. Create on this complete. So first of all, we will discuss splash screen SwiftUI. Learn to build a splash screen that use animation and SwiftUI to go beyond the typical static launch screen and keep users interested while the app load. So first of all, we're gonna create on this state property, bind on this on appear method. State private var is active screen which is type of bool and is equal to false. We're gonna create a geometry reader, and this is a geometry in, and we're gonna create on this vstack, create on this layout vstack. Suppose which have a we're gonna create on this vstack, and we're gonna create on the apply condition if self dot is active screen true condition. So we're gonna create condition this is true, so we're gonna calling the another view and command n and create a SwiftUI view. This is a home screen, home screen. We're gonna create a home screen, and we gonna design on this home screen. Suppose we're gonna create on this vstack, resume on this application vstack, and suppose we're gonna create on this list 0 element and less than 50 elements, and this is the list in. Suppose we can use of item and in, and we're gonna get on this text. And bind on this application. This is the item, we're gonna use of string interpolation, and this is the item, our item. Bind on this our item. So we're gonna create on this list. So this is a 1 2 and this element is putting on this list, and we can use the home screen, and we can this splash screen, otherwise condition is true, so we can calling on this home screen we can create on the system. Otherwise else I will create on else stack vstack, and we're gonna create on this image. Suppose which have our asset image. This is a parrot image. We can set on this name parrot image dot resizable on this method. Apply on this image dot resizable, and we dot resizable and dot apply on this alone. Sorry, we can set on this dot frame geometry dot size dot width, and we're gonna apply the geometry dot size dot height, full height on this image, and remove on this alignment is remove. We're gonna set on this UI home screen, set on this UI, and this is a vstack. Apply on this background color, green color. Apply on this background, and this is a dot ignoring safe area dot all screen. ignoring safe area dot all screen. This is a use of geometry reader. Sorry, we stack will not apply on this geometry, it apply on this statement. Okay, we cannot complete, so we can remove on this background color and apply on this ignoring safe area on this all screen. This apply. We can set on this animation, and we can set on this on appear method. We're gonna apply this on appear method on this stack. Our stack is on appear method. What is on appear method? Adds an action to perform when this view appear. Adds an action to perform when this view appear. Dot on appear perform, and this is it. We're gonna create on this dispatch queue. Dot main dot async after. Dot async after, and we're gonna use of dot is async after, and we can use of async after dot async after deadline execute. This is the deadline. Can remove deadline. This is the dispatch queue dot time. Remove on this deadline. We can remove this closure, and this is the deadline dot no plus suppose which have 2 seconds, and self dot is active screen is equal to true. Self dot is active screen. This is our bind property, our create on this bool property is active, and that is 2 second wait on this UI. 2 second wait on this UI. We're gonna complete on this application, and splash screen demo. This is the initial screen, splash screen demo, and you can run on this application. We're gonna run on this application. So this is a we're gonna remove this application. We can set on this our remove on this we're gonna run on this project. We can set out another statements use of bash to use of splash screen Swift UI. We're gonna run on this application. Just 2 second wait on this splash screen, and another video. So this is our splash screen, and wait on this 2 seconds. Suppose which have 4 seconds in the wait of the application and launch screen. This is a 4 second wait, and otherwise the home screen. So this is how to create a simple, easy to understand splash screen in Swift UI by using Swift UI. This is it by using splash screen, and we can our home screen. Suppose we can remove this home screen, remove this list. Suppose remove this, and we're gonna create on this image. We can set on this. Suppose this is a text. Suppose this is a content view. Zoom on this application. This is a content view, and we're gonna apply this background color. Dot. We can set this is a content view, not only apply on this, and we can use of home screen view. Jump to define. This is a content home screen on this content view. So we're gonna run on this application. 4 second wait in the application splash screen in the 4 second. So this is a content view open on this. So this we're gonna apply on this constant on this content view. We stack. Suppose which have alignment on this center. We're gonna run on this applications. This is the 4 second wait on this splash screen. So we can apply on this. Suppose this we can apply on this spacer, and we're gonna set on this spacer. So run on this application. This is a content view, and we're gonna apply this. We're gonna apply on the stack spacer. We're gonna create on this spacer, and we can set on this bottom spacer. Bottom screen. We're gonna run on this application. This is the content view, and fill on this screen. This is the content view. This is a content view. So okay, welcome back to Diamond. It's about then in splash. So learn to build a splash screen that use animation and shift UI to go beyond the typical static launch screen and keeps user interested while the app load. User interested while the app load. So we're gonna suppose we can create on this hstack dot background color. Suppose we have color dot red color, and we're gonna run on this applications. This is the home screen. This is launch on the screen. This is the content view and use of content view. This is the red color. On this content view is red color, and we're gonna create content view is red color. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of splash screen shift UI.